Okay guys, today I'm going to show y'all how to clean an iPod. You know, this is iPod 6th generation. It's actually my brother's. I'm going to clean it for him. So when we get the materials ready, this is what you're going to need. Some our disposable alcohol. Select the highest concentration you can get, or it's the best of alcohol. So you don't need a rag. Set it right here. So you can put it down, and you're not using it. And you're gonna need a little bit of soap. So this, what I usually start with, damp rag. A little bit of soap. About that much will work. And then what I'm gonna do now, scrub it. Remember, get a damp rag, not a wet one. Get everywhere. Try not to around the microphone. I mean, just do it a little bit, and then just scrub it and scrub it and scrub it. When you're drying it, do it a pattern like that, just up and down. Gives it a better look. And then you want to clean the camera lens. Just dab the camera lens, dry it. Okay, so you got the back cleaned. Now you don't want to do the screen. And as soon as you do that, you need to wipe it off as soon as you finish scrubbing it. And then you got that. That's pretty good. Next, set your phone, iPod, whatever down. Get this. Do that. That way you got a nice spot right there.
This alcohol.
Scrub it. Kill the germs and all. Boom. And scrub the front. Remember, wipe it off as soon as you finish scrubbing. That way you don't get anything where it doesn't need to go. And then you don't want to dip the sides. Excuse my brother, he's running around, being loud. Boom. Looks pretty good. These are permanent stains on it from years of use, because it's a 6th generation, like I said earlier. And then set this down. Get that corner you'd already wet from the soap. Scrub the case. He has a double-sided plastic case. Scrub everything. Okay, that's good. I scrubbed the back so it's nice and clear. His has a built-in screen protector on the front. And scrub it. Scrub it, scrub. And dry it off. Boom. That's gonna be it for this video. Bye guys, see you next time.